How to get UK link for Amazon affiliate if you live in US. All you'll need to do is simply open a new tab and you're going to go onto affiliate-program.amazon.com/home. So you want to go onto your Amazon Associates home page. Once on the Amazon Associates home page, from here you're going to hover over tools and you're going to select one link. After selecting one link, you'll be redirected to this page. And by the way, one link is a feature which allows you to get the Amazon affiliate link for numerous countries. So this in turn will help you to increase your chances of getting even more commission, as you'll be able to earn globally from all of the different countries. So for example, you can see the different countries that I have connected right here. And to add a country, all you'll need to do is tap on add countries. Then from there, you'll select the option or you'll select the country that you would like to add. After you have selected the country, you'll tap on next, and that's it. So it is as easy as that to add a country or to get the link. Once you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you can go back into Amazon. And from there, if you were to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on get link, after copying this link, if someone were to tap on this link from the UK and make a purchase, you will be able to get your commission. It's that easy. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.